you can see, your living area is completely extremely spacious, that your kitchen is extremely spacious. It covers bedroom is a lot more spacious comparatively. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I am Ikhlas and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of Shangri-La Abham by Shangri-La Infracon India Private Limited. The project is located in Bandalgura, Kismatpur, Hyderabad, Telangana. But before starting, let me show you the surroundings of the project. And as you can see, I'm standing at the exact location of the project. And this is your marketing office and your land parcel is exactly here. Now let me quickly tell you what exactly is Housey. So you see, Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Unlike any other current listing platform where if you do inquiry, your number is shared with multiple brokers creating chaos. But with Housey, it is directly done by the developer. So stop going here and there and book your dream house directly with Housey. Coming over to your project overview, so Shangri-La Abham is a luxury residential address which is spread across approximately 5.76 acres of land parcel. The project comprises of 5 residential towers rising up to 4 levels of car parking, 1 cellar plus 3 podium, 37 floors each. The total number of homes are 364 premium residences and it offers 4 BHK apartments. Coming over to the amenities part, the project offers a lot of premium amenities including 2 clubhouses. One is sports, which is for 30,000 square feet. The general clubhouse is 35,000 square feet. Swimming pool, fitness areas, jogging track, multi-purpose court, yoga pavilion and many more. And as you can see, I'm standing at the exact location of the project, which is located in Kismatpur, Bandalgura, Hyderabad, Telangana. So this is going to be your connectivity. So this side of the road connects you to the market area and that side of the road connects you to the Portal Road. Coming over to the other connectivities, Outer Ring Road, only 5 minutes from here. Himayat Sagar Lake is very nearby from here. The financial district is only 15 minutes drive. Gachibowli being 20 minutes away. Rajiv Gandhi International Airport only 30 minutes away from here. So everyone, now we will be doing the sample flat tour of Shangri-La Abham for 4 BHK and the configuration for that is 7,000 square feet. As you can see, I'm standing already outside of the house. But before we enter, you are going to have a separate servant room which will be right opposite to your main entrance. Now, entering inside, as you can see, you have your door which has been given a very nice wooden floor touching and you have your proper lock system here, so you can press, you can have your fingerprint or your card and design it however you like. Coming in the first place, so this is going to be your living area, one part of your house. So as you can see, your living area is completely extremely spacious and if you want, you can design it this way or if you want, you can change. And as you can see on top, there has been different lighting systems as well given. You also have your AC unit already attached to your ceiling. Apart from that, if you want, you can add a wooden floor touching to your house, so you can add your lighting systems there as well. And your living area is also having a spacious balcony attached to it. So this is going to be your living spacious balcony area, and as you can see, it's completely huge from the sides as well, and you have different floorings done for your balcony. You have your glass system given here for your safety purpose, and you can also see your outside view perfectly. And on this side, you will have your small area, which if you want, you can turn into your ventilation room or an extra space unit for your house. Now, as we come inside, if you will notice, this side as well has a lot of space even after adding extra couches, tables and chairs. So if you want, you can add your shoe rack on this side or design this entire area as per your choice. Again, the entire flooring that has been done inside the house is proper vitrified flooring. You can see it's also marble touch. Then right beside the house, as in your living room, you have a common washroom. Now if you want, you can use this for your guests, or you can design it however you like. And your mirror again here has lighting touch system, so you can add your lights. And if you see, your washroom tilings also have been done differently. You have your basin, and it's spacious enough for you to recreate it if you want. Coming to your second living area, if I may add, so this is going to be your first spacious place. If you can see, you can add a lot of things over here, or if you want, you can entirely turn this entire living area into your big dining area. Or if you want, you can turn it into 3 different parts. If you can see a small guest area here, if you want, you can turn this into your small office corner, or design it however you like. And right in front of that, you have one more spacious place given. So if you want, you can turn that into your puja corner, or you can design that however you like. And again, if you notice here, there's wooden flooring touching also done on this corner of the house. Now, moving to the other side of the area, if you can see right in front of this living area, you also have again another balcony attached. Now if you want, you can turn this place into adding your flower pots, or a very cozy corner for your guests and all of that. Now this entire balcony starts from here up till that corner. Here as well, the glassware systems have been done perfectly, and you have a very beautiful view from here if you look on the other side. Now the best part about this balcony is that it is also attached to your first bedroom. So you have direct access from your living room to your bedroom. If you notice, there are also been given drainage systems. So if you want, you can add your plantings here and water, and the water will still flow outside. Now moving on to our next living area space. So if you notice again, this side is also very spacious and very unique style. So the house has been designed in a very unique style, because each corner of the room and the house, you have different space units given. And if you notice, right in front of this dining area, you again have a very huge space. So this is going to be your home theater. If you want, you can convert it into your home theater, or design the entire space as per your choice. Now the other good part is that you have over here lighting systems given, which is like in a very unique style. So you can choose to turn and off in a different way. And here as well, a little wooden touching is given. You have your light systems and your AC units already attached up, and you also have a window system on this corner of the house. Now coming to your third spacious area of your living area or your dining area. So this is going to be a third space. Again, this is also extremely spacious, so you can add n number of couches and chairs. If you want, you can turn this small area into your study area, or design it as per your personal choice. If you want, you can also divide the house into different units. Now this side again, you have one more balcony, which is much more spacious compared to your all other balconies. If you can see, you have a direct view access point to the entire area from this balcony. Plus this is designed in a very square like shape, so you have a lot of space on this corner as well as this corner as well. Here as well, you have glassware added, and your balcony from here is again divided. So when you look from this side, it takes you directly to your master bedroom. Now moving inside, coming to your kitchen spaceware. So this is going to be your kitchen. As you can already notice and understand that your kitchen is extremely spacious. It covers all the 4 corners. So starting from this side, if you can notice, you can add your storage units for your kitchen, and you also have again a lot of space here. You have electric units placed on each side of the kitchen. So you can add your electrical appliances. Again, the flooring that has been done, the tiles that has been given to your kitchen again are very unique and different. You also have your lighting system under your kitchenware unit. So if you want, you can design it that way or change it as well. Even when you look up to the ceiling, you have your AC unit in your kitchen as well attached, and you have your lighting systems done in your kitchen as well. You can add your exhaust fan over here if you want under your chimney, and then you have a window system as well, and you have your wash basin on this side. Now the best part about this kitchen is that you have two different units over here. So coming to this unit, this again can be your second kitchen. So if you want, you may let your guest use this or turn this into your baking area, design it however you like. Here as well you have proper electric units, you have your chimney space, you have your wash basin, your windows given, and here again if you see the tiling that has been done for kitchen, it's very luxurious and very unique. Here is also you have proper storage units given for you to add as much as space. Now the third best part is that you have your utility balcony area in your kitchen. So this is going to be your utility balcony area. As you can already see, it's extremely huge. So you can add a lot of washing machines if you want extra washing machines, and you also have open space here, so you can add your laundry system for your clothes to dry out fast. You have electric units given here as well, and the same lighting unit, so you can use your lights here as well. Now coming back inside of your kitchen, going to your second space that has been made here as well. Again, before that you have your lighting unit, so if you want you can add that. So this can be turned into your storage area unit, so you can add all your kitchen extra storage units here, or if you want you can turn this into your second kitchen servant room if you want to. Now coming back into our living space area, let's learn more about the bedrooms. Let's go to the first bedroom. So if you can already notice that your first bedroom is very close to your living area and your common washroom, your balcony as well. So this is going to be your first bedroom. If you can already notice, it has been given a very luxury like touch. You have your walls done in a very unique manner. The pattern for your wall is different. You have your again AC unit already attached up to your ceiling with your lightings done properly. Now the other best part of the room is that here as well you have a huge balcony attached. So this is going to be your balcony area. Now this balcony easily connects you to your second bedroom. So if you want you can go directly to your second room, and both the sides of the balcony you will get the exact same amazing view from here. You have your glassware attached and your flooring as well done with electric units given and drainage system there as well. Now coming back inside the room, if you notice proper electric units here as well has been given. You have your wardrobe system space and a lot more. Now for your washroom again as well, you have your unique light system. So if you want you can turn it on from here. So if you notice the washroom again has been given a very luxurious like touch. You have your glassware properly attached. Inside your glassware as well, if you notice you have lighting system given there separately, and then this is going to be your mirror. It again has your lighting touch system. The tilings has been done very nicely in the washroom. You have proper ventilation system and it is designed in a very unique way. Now moving to your second room, like I mentioned, it's very close to your first bedroom. So this is your second room. If you want you can turn this room into your kids room or your kids play room, design it however you like. Again, if you notice the pattern that has been given to your second room is also very unique and different style that is not really seen in a lot of homes. So if you want you can add these kind of patterns to your house or change it as per your choice. Again, in this room as well, you have your AC unit already attached to your ceiling with a lot of lightings given. In this room as well, you have a lot of spacious place to add your extra storage units, your wardrobe system, and design as per your choice. And like I mentioned, you will have an attached balcony in your second room as well, and it leads you directly to your first bedroom. So this is your balcony, and it has the same exact view from here as well, and it leads you to your first room. Now, coming back inside, this room obviously has an attached washroom, which is again very uniquely designed. So when you enter, you will notice that the tilings has been done properly, and here as well you have your glassware system given, and you have your lighting system inside your shower area as well. You have your ventilation system there, and your mirror in this side also has your lighting touch system. You have electric unit, and again very spacious. Now we will be going into our third bedroom. So this is going to be your third bedroom. If you can notice, your third bedroom is a little more spacious compared to both the rooms. So it starts all the way from here. So as you enter the room inside, you will notice that you have another corner space here in this side as well. So if you want, you can turn this into your shoe rack area or anything. You have an extra corner space, even adding a wardrobe next to that. Then you have a lot of space on this corner as well. So if you want, you can redesign your house and turn that into your walk-in closet area, or as per your choice. Now, this room again also has an attached balcony, and this balcony also is again extremely spacious. So the best part about the balcony is that, like I mentioned before, this takes directly to your living area from the area that we came in before. So this is your living area, and you get direct access to your other room from here. If you notice that the entire house, wherever you go, you have these unique light touching patterns, so you don't have to keep clicking on the light to turn, switch off and on. And then of course this room as well has an attached washroom. If you can already notice, the tiling that has been done in this washroom is completely different near your toilet seat as well. If you want, you can add it like that. Your washroom again here also has lighting touch given to your mirror. Coming to your shower system, again the glassware has been added, and there is a separate lighting given for your shower system, and you have your ventilation very close to that. This is also again very spacious washroom. You may already notice that the house is designed in a very luxurious and a very unique pattern that you don't get to see in a lot of houses, and that's what it makes it very different and better. Now, before we enter into the best part of the room, the master bedroom or your fourth bedroom, let me quickly tell you what Housey exactly does for you. So as soon as you go to Housey's website, you will find everything about the project, you will find the location over there, and as you can see, we actually give you actual location tours of the project. You will find pros and cons of the project, you will find EMI, down payment options, and we also give you exclusive pricing details of the project as well. You will also find there a 360 virtual tour of the project. And if you want to book a free site visit or schedule it, you can either click on the link which is given in the description below, or you can directly visit www.housey.com for more information about the project. Now, entering into a master bedroom. As soon as you enter, you will already notice that your fourth bedroom is a lot more spacious comparatively to your other room. So you have a whole side, this side of the room given to you, where you can redesign it by turning it into your walk-in closet or your study area or your office area. And when it comes to this side of the room, you again have a lot of spacious corner space on this side, where you have a small window system given, so you can turn this as per your choice. Again, a lot of electric units you have actually in this room on each corner if you notice. And again, this room as well, if you see the pattern style that has been given in this is also again very unique. So if you notice that here you already have your lighting system attached very close to the walls. So if you want, you can change that way, but it looks very unique. And above as well, you have it the same way with your AC unit already attached. Now you have your separate balcony for your master bedroom here. So this is going to be your master bedroom's balcony, and like I mentioned to you that you have a corner space here and it takes directly to your other living space area. So this is your exact entire view from your balcony direct into your locality. And here as well you have your glassware units attached, you have your drainage system there. So it's very spacious. You can add a lot of pots here or redesign your balcony as per your choice. Now coming to your attached washroom of this room. This washroom is a bit more spacious compared to your other washrooms, and the tiling and the designing that has been given to this washroom is a little more different than your other washrooms. If you notice, you have a huge wash basin system given here. If you want, you can add a little more huger because you have a lot of space in this washroom. You have electric units, and this mirror also has a lighting system. Now coming to your shower system, it is much more spacious. This again as well has your system given for your lights, and you have your ventilation system inside. So it is much more spacious. So everyone, this was the sample flat tour for Shangri-La Abham's 4 BHK. Hope you liked the video. For more such amazing walkthroughs of the project, do not forget to subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.